President Cyril Ramaphosa or Afrika Dzonga ri tsakile ku va xiphemu xa navetiso lexi tivekaka tani Expo2020 lexi nga khomeriwa eDubai. Uri hi switalo leswi nga ta vuyerisa matiko lama nga xiphemu xa pfumba leri.
South Africa is truly excited and honored to be part of Expo2020, where there is a clear exhibit of unbelievable and numerous opportunities for business to business, people to people contact and investment exchanges. Our country's theme, Think South Africa, Think Opportunity, is on full display at the South African Pavilion and on the virtual pavilion as well.
Ramaphosa u hlamusele xiyimo xa Afrika Dzonga loko swi ta eka vupfhumba na mabindzu.
We have highlighted opportunities for trade, investment and tourism, enabling South African companies to exhibit their products and engage with prospective customers, international buyers as well as investors.
Ramaphosa uri Afrika Dzonga ri lulamile ku amukela vavekisi. Wa Mahungu ya SABC.